Hey everybody, I'm Lauren Price and this is Disc Golf VR 360, and today I'm at the Donner Ski Ranch where they have an 18-hole disc golf course, and down here at the lodge, if that's what you want to call it, and you go upstairs to sign a waiver because this is private property, just like Sky High. You need to sign a waiver to play out here. And so right now, I'm going to head on up to T1, which is up over here, just on the other side of that ski lift. And see you up at the first tee. That was quite the workout. So here we are on hole T1. UDisc has it at 211. The sign says 240, and I scoped it, and I would go agree with the 240. You can't see the hole from the tee except for the very back corner, and it's just through the grass. It's an Anheuser out that way, 240 feet, and there doesn't seem to be any Mandy's or OBs, so have at it. Hole 2, 180 feet. Nice little short ace run right there. The sign says 180, but that must be another pin position because UDisc has it at 154, and I put a rangefinder on it at 155. So take the 154, it's like right there. Hole 3, sign says 258, UDisc says 261, and the hole is, if you come off to the right of the tee, you'll see it's right up there. So nice long floating hyzer. Say aim up there so that it fades in and drops in. Hole 4, it's right there. Big boulder right in front of it. Tree. Lots of obstacles in the way. Sign says 248. I did a range finder on it at 200, which is what UDisc has it at. 200 feet, all uphill, so it probably plays closer to about 250. Hole 5, par 3, 270. You can see the top of the headband up there, yellow headband. U-Disc has it at 260. I'm going to go with U-Disc at 260. Right there. Hole 6. Sign says 252. U-Disc has it at 243. It's right there. I would go with U-Disc at 243. U-Disc also shows it as going out and fading down to the left. I say go right at it or forehand Anheuser. Hole 7. Right there, across this meadow. I suspect this is probably where they had all the mosquitoes that I keep on hearing about that I haven't seen yet. I think that's mainly because the wind. Anyways, U-Disc has it at 158. They have it at 209 on the sign. I don't know. It seems like an ace run to me. Hole 8. Sign says 257. U-Disc says 249. It's straight over there. It's in the shadow between those trees. Nice straight shot. That's about all I can say. Ace run. Hole 9. Right out there. In the middle of nowhere. Not really. Anyways, it's out there in the middle of the ski run. 264 feet. U-Disc has it at 269. So I'm going to take U-Disc and say 269. Right there. Hole 10. Sign says 312. U-Disc says 306. I'll take U-Disc 306. Right up there. Sitting up there waiting for you to throw your disc in. I don't know. The big arm guys can do it. I won't. I'll be lucky if I can get it out over there in a safe area. Hole 11. Sign says 231. I scoped it out at 235. It's right up there. You can see it through the trees. U-Disc has it, I believe, at no. U-Disc has it at 198. I don't think so. Anyways, actually, I think that's because they have the tee box up there closer to the hole. So I have a feeling there's a short tee or an old tee up there. 231, right up there. Just follow this road. Hole 12. U-Disc has it at 306. It's the very last tree on the right. It's right in front of it. It's in the shadow of that tree. So it's just down there. This is a fun course. Hole 13, sitting straight out there in the sun. 322. That's what U-Disc has it at. There is no T sign, so we just have to go by that. Just straight at it. Probably just float it out there. Hole 14, it's right out there in the rock. 306 according to the sign, 301 according to U-Disc. It's like right there. All downhill. Possible ace, I would say ace run. Hole 15. It's right over there in the shade, between trees. 321 is the sign. I put a rangefinder on it. It came up at 325, so 321 is a good number. U-Disc has it at 298. That may be closer pin position, but it's not 298. It's 321. Right out there. Hole 16 this is a par 4. Sign says 780 feet. U-Disc has it at
7:51. Yeah, 7:51. And I'm not gonna try. You're not gonna see it, but it's off to the right, probably just past those that rock ledge there. And there's a nice breeze blowing, so that who knows where my disc is gonna go. Hopefully it stays straight and goes right out there. Hole 17. UDisc has it at 440. The sign has it at 470. And at this point, I'll take UDisc. It's over there in the trees, kind of like in about the midway point, right at the edge of the trees there, going right across the ski run. Hole 18, all downhill, sitting right out there in the middle of the bottom of the ski run, right down there. I'll have an arrow on it. I put a rangefinder on it at 550. The sign says 549. UDisc has it at 518, so I'm going to take the 549 or 550 that I scoped and use that. Remember, keep your nose down when you're throwing at these downhill shots, because you get it flat or get the nose up a little slightly and it's going to go take off and just boomerang back on you. The last couple holes were just the brutal ones, 16 in particular. Okay, that completes 18 holes here at Donner Summit Ski Ranch. It's your mountain course. It's a typical mountain course, and It's not for no carts. I would not recommend carts. It's not for the faint of heart. The mosquitoes that I kept on hearing about and reading in the reviews did not materialize. I don't know what to tell you. Well, outside of the fact that it's the time of year that I think that the mosquitoes come out. This is September 10th, and we're pretty much getting into fall here, and there's a good breeze blowing. So when you have a breeze like this, there's no chance that you're going to have mosquitoes hanging around. But good course. I like it. I give it good marks, and you should, if you're in the area, give it a shot. What else can I tell you? Make sure you have lots of water. Stay hydrated. You don't really do that much climbing outside of the first hole and hole 16 and 14. Those are the only ones that seem to have any real climbing involved. Other than that, fun day. See you for the next tour.